show you the newest vending machine here in Japan. So, let's see that? Go see that! So, ganito na yung vending machine dito sa Japan. Touch panel! Haiji touch shite. Touch shite. Irandemizu. Choose what you want to buy. Touch the card. And then, it's asking if you are paying this by card or no. So you say yes. And then, it's done! Yay! Yun na. Yes! Eto na! O, diba? May tubig na ako. So easy. So that's the newest style of vending machine here in Tokyo. So I'm gonna just tell you how they call it in Japan. So, that is an automatic selling machine. So they call it Jido or automatic. Hanbai, meaning sale or selling. That's Hanbai, that's read as Hanbai. And then machine, which is key, they read it as key. So all in all, we call it Jido Hanbai Ki, meaning an automated selling machine. So you can just touch the panel and just pay it by card, or you can also pay it by coins, by paper money. But all you have to do is touch it, and then you already have your drink. So what about that? Only in Japan? Do we have that in the Philippines? Well, I hope we have, or in the future, the nearest future. So yun lang po. I just want to share you what we do have here for the trends, for the lifestyle. So let's see that and let's enjoy that. Okay, see you again on my next vlog. Love you all. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe on my channel, and try to use our Jido Hanbai Ki. Okay, thank you.